Welcome to our guide on how to fix the "you are tweeting too fast" error on Twitter using your PC. Let's explore the steps together. Step 1. Slow down your tweeting speed by spacing out your tweets. Try to leave a few minutes between each tweet to avoid triggering the error message. Step 2. Verify your Twitter account to potentially increase your tweeting limit. Navigate to your Twitter settings. Click on Account, then select Verification Request. Follow the provided prompts to submit your request for verification. Step 3. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Twitter support for further assistance. Visit the Twitter Help Center, click on Contact Us, and select the option that best describes your issue. Follow the prompts to submit your request for support. By following these steps, you can address and resolve the "you are tweeting too fast" error on Twitter while using your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in providing solutions to fix the error and enhance your Twitter experience. Remember to tweet responsibly and effectively manage your tweeting activity to avoid encountering this error in the future.